number 107, question number 5. Find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtain. So we are having the 5 parts in the question. We are going to start with the first one. The number we are having is 525. First of all, we are going to find the square root. For that one, we are going to make the pair. Now 2 2s are 4. The remainder we are having is the 1. Now we are going to take the pair 25 downwards. Now we are having the number 125. Now we are going to double this one. So this one we are having is the 2 2s are 4. Now this is the 100 place we are having. We have to find the ones place here. So first of all, I am going to take 2. Now 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Now I am going to take 3 because 84 is smaller than 125. So if I am going to take 3, then 43 multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. Now we are having the number 129, which is greater than 125 we are having. So for reaching the 129 from the 125 we need 4 more numbers. So we are going to write here 4 must be added to 525 for making it a perfect square. So we are going to write here 525 plus, we need 4 more numbers. So plus 4, the number we are having 529. Now we are going to write here 529. So 2 2s are 4, remainder 1. Now we are having 129 and 43 3s are we are having 129. First of all, we are going to double this one. So we are having 2 2s are 4. Now this is the tens place. We have to find ones place. So we are having 43 3s are as 129. So we are going to write here root 529 is equal to the 23 we are having. This is the part 1. Now comes to the part 2. The number we are having is 1750. So first of all, we will write here we are having 2 pairs. So 4 4s are 16. We are having 5 5s are 25 is greater than 17. So the remainder we are having 1 and the pair we are going to take, then the number will be 150. Now we are going to double this one. 4 2s are 8. This is the tens place we are having. We have to find the ones place here. So first of all, we are going to take the number as 1. So 1 1s are 1, 1 8s are 8. We are having 81. Now we are going to take 2, then 2 2s are 4 and 8 2s are 16. So we are having 164 and the number we are having is 150. So for reaching the 164, we need how much more number? We need 14 more numbers. So we are going to write here 14 must be added to 1750 for making it a perfect square. So I'm going to write here 1750 plus 14. Then the number we are having is the 1764. Now we are going to find the square. Then this is 4 4s are 16. Remainder we are having 1. Now 64. I'm going to double this one. This is the tens place we are having and we have to find the ones. So 82 2s are we are having 164. So I'm going to write here root 1764 is equal to the 42 we are having. This is the part 2. Now comes to the part 3. The number we are having is 252. So the number we are having 252. Now we are going to take the number 2 2s are 4 is greater. So I am going to take 1 1s are 1. Then the remainder we are having 1 and the number we are having downward is the 52. Now we are going to double this one. This is the 2 we are having. This is the tens place we are having. We have to find the ones place here. So first of all, I'm going to take the number as 5. So 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 2s are 10 and 2 12. So the number we are having 125. Now we're going to take 6. 6 6s are 36, carry 3, 6 2s are 12, 12 and 3 we are having as the 15. So the number we are having 156. Now for reaching the 156, we have to add 4 in the number for making it a perfect square. So we are going to write here 4 must be added to 252 for making it a perfect square. So we are going to write here 252 plus 4 we are having as 256. Now root 256 is equal to, we are going to find 256. So 1 ones are 1, remainder 1, and the pair downwards we are having. Now the number is 156. Now we are going to double this one. This one we are having 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Now this is the tens place we are having. We have to find the ones place. So we have 6, 26, 6 the number we are having 156. So root 256 is equal to the 16 we are having. This is the part 3. Now comes to the part 4. The number we are having is the 1825. First of all, we are going to make the pair. Now 4 4s are 16 because 5 5s are 25 is greater. Then we are going to get the remainder as 2. Now we are going to take this pair downwards. Now we are going to double this one. This is 4 2s are 8 we are having. This is the tens place and we have to find the ones place here. So we are going to write here the number as equal to the 2. So I'm going to take 2, then 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16 we are having. Now if I'm going to take 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are 24. So the number we are having here is the 225 and we have to reach 249. So how much we have to add? We have to add 24 in the number. So I'm going to write here 24 must be added to 1825 for making it a perfect square. So I'm going to write here 1825 plus 24. Then if I'm going to add, then we are going to get the number as 1849. Now root 1849 is equal to, we are going to find the square root of this one. So we are having 2 pairs. Now first of all we are going to take 4 4s are 16, remainder 2, and this one we are having. Now the number we are having 249. Now we are going to double this one. This is the 4 2s are 8 we are having. This is the tens place. We have to find the ones place. Now 83 3s are. The number we are having 249. We are not having remainder any. So I'm going to write here 43. Root 1849 is equal to the 43. This is the part 4. Now comes to the part 5. The number we are having is the 6412. So first of all, we are going to make the pair here. Now we are going to write here 5 5s are 25, 6 is the 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64. So 8 8s are 64. We are not having any remainder. Now we are going to take this one downwards. Now we are going to double this one. This is the 8 2s are 16. Now this is the 100 place we are having and this is the tens. We have to find the ones place here. So if I am going to take 0, then this one will become 0. Now for making this one as 0. So if I am going to take 161, then so if I am going to take the 1 here, then 1 ones are 1, 1 6 are 6 and 1 ones are 1. Then we are having 161, which is much far than the 12. So I am going to take here the number as we have to add this one 12 we are having. So we have to Now I'm going to take 1 here. So 1 ones are 1, 1 6 are 6 and 1 ones are 1. So the number we are having is 161. Now for reaching this one, how much we have to add? First of all, we are going to subtract this one here. So I'm going to get the number. This one we are having 11, this is the 5, 1, 4 and 11 minus 2 we are having 9. So we have to add 149. So I'm going to write here 149 must be added to the number for making it a perfect square. So we will write here 6412 plus 149. Now we are going to add this one. So the number we are having 6561. Now square root of 6561 we are going to find here. Now I am going to write here 8 8s are 64. One remainder we are having. Then we are going to take the pair downwards. Then we are having 161. Now we are going to double this one. 8 2s are 16. This is the 100. This is the tens place. We have to find the ones place here. So I am going to take 1. Then 161 ones are 161 we are having. So the number we are having is the 81. This is the part 5. With this one we have completed the question number 5. In the next video we are going to start with the question number 6.